Junk Monkey friends, all the Banana Bunch family out there. It's Sonia and Matt right here. He is piloting the car today and I get to chit chat with you guys. We are on the road and Matt has picked out a place for us to go today. We're like spontaneous road trippers. We just decided to get up today to go and seek of somewhere new.
Adventure!
Yes, I feel like we're like filming the promo for the Starship Enterprise to go places where no man has gone before. Well, there's people here.
I think people
It's been settled, okay, and we know there's people here, in fact, and because, Matt, you said what? You found a couple thrift stores or antique stores? Yeah, my kind of people. So we're gonna head out over here today, take you with us, and let's see if we can find some new junkin' spots. Wow, have you ever seen anything like this? I'm guessing this field used to be maybe what, a used car lot or salvage car lot, Matt? What would it be?
I have no idea.
It is like a sea of old vehicles in tall grass. It's crazy. Guys, we're stopped at a light and I looked over. This church is beautiful. Just wait for the clearing right here when we pass. Look how cool that is. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Recycled skis. That is crazy.
That was these K2 triaxles.
Yeah.
It was one of the last pairs I owned.
Oh my gosh, guys. Have you ever seen a ski tree? Look, and it even has a topper of all the ski poles. Look how beautiful it is up there today. Friends, we just left the Purple Doorknob, and if you caught my live on Facebook, that store is entirely dedicated to socks, and underwear. How fun was that? Did you have fun, Matt?
I had lots of fun. I love interesting places.
I know.
Stuff out of the...
Yeah, you can make a business out of anything, man. People will love your amazing socks. We had an amazing lunch. There was nothing left of the pizzas. We ate every single bite. It was so good. And then across the road, we went over and checked out dessert. We had dessert. It's actually in a bag. Matt's carrying it. I can't believe it's not already whipped out yet. Now, in town, we keep being told about this consignment store that is just like a few blocks up. So we're gonna head up there and see what junk will become our treasures today. All right, this is a power up moment here before we go and we do some thrifting. Matt's like, you better eat these before they melt. I'm like, oh my gosh, don't make me eat them. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. All right, there's yours. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, oh my gosh. Look, guys. Look, guys. All right, I'll let you take first bite right there. All right, did you get one?
Mm-hmm.
You got first bite.
Mm-hmm.
You're already into it.
Mm-hmm.
See, I gotta peel mine all off, right? So in order to get into
this
it.
has a core.
What does that mean?
It has,
something hidden in the center?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Oh, it's yummy.
So I'm gonna ask you, do you think this trip was worth it?
Yes. Well, that was a blast, and we got to meet Betsy, the lady who puts Betsy in Betsy's Consignments. She was awesome. She hooked me up with this really cool bag for $8 and change, which is awesome. I think it's going to be perfect for my business books and stuff. Yeah, it does look brand new, doesn't it? $8. Thrift store score. I mean, there is not, I don't even think it's been used before. I don't even think it's been used before. It's perfect and it stands up really nice. So, all my notebooks, all my ideas, because Matt's always telling me, do you really need that many notebooks? Yes. No. I need that many notebooks.
No human needs that many.
I have that many ideas. I'm a creative. Us creative, we have like, yeah, we have tabs open, right? Like it's like a screen on the internet when you have every single browser tab open. All right, well, we are heading back over this bumpy road all the way back home. I'm gonna edit this vlog and get it up for you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you had some fun. It is so fun to just go travel down a road that you've never been to before, a new place you've never been to before. Grab your friend, grab your spouse. I'm so glad that we got out today, and I always find stuff, you know, when we wake up and we take spontaneous drives, somehow at the end of the day, you never know what you're gonna find, or you're not really in search of anything, but you always find good stuff along the way. Did you have fun today?
Yes. Always like going to new places.
I know. I like new experiences too. So many places and things to discover. So get out and enjoy your life. All right, my friends, if you enjoyed this vlog, I'm here daily, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. It allows me to continue to make daily content for you guys. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Did I make you hungry with that cupcake? See you tomorrow.
It's so good.